Right, followers, RC Addict here with the Diatone Roma F1 with my custom touch. I'll show you. Right, guys, RC Addict here. Right, Roma F1. What a machine, man. Seriously, I want to firstly point out, I've changed the tune, to UAVTECH. I forgot the geezer's name, but I've changed it to, if you look on his site and go on Tiny Whoops, on the presets and change the PIDs to his value, it literally handles like it's on rails. Firstly, you can see all the props that I got, because the props that fit with the guards on, they didn't have in stock. So firstly, I got all these props like 4-inch, 4-inch 40mm. So I mean, these were quite dear, some of these. I mean, look at them bad boys, they're nice. But I wanted something with the same pitch as the originals, so they're only 3-blade, and they're Azure power. These clear bad boys, these are Azure again, and again they were expensive. I've got these Emacs, and you get loads in here, and they're 4-bladed, but they just, they just didn't feel anything like what I used. So what I actually used were these, and I cut the tips off. 2mm. It's easy to do. If you haven't got a vernier, get a bit of solder, and basically tuck it through the middle, bend it, and then bend it along the straight edge. I hope you know what I mean. I'll show you if in another video if you want to see. But so I got rid of the prop guards, put them on. They just press on, and then I got a Rush FPV right polarized antenna, and I don't know if you can see, but on the top there, that there's no kinks in it, and it's beautiful because it's got a locking tab on it, and it's nice because it's straight as it goes into the connector. So that's brill. This is a beautiful machine. Seriously. Firstly, I had it top mounted. The battery. They're, by the way, they're these guys. So the FPV 650 free cell 80C 11.1 volt, and I tried the TBS graphene 520s, which were also good, but I only had one of them, so I thought, stick with these, and they had loads in stock. So what I've done is, excuse my hair gets everywhere, so yeah, and I've put some it's like double-sided tape, and I've just put that on just to give it that extra kind of grip. But on the bottom, I've just put one strap, got rid of the straps that they give me, and a strap right through the center, and locks like that. I think I got that with God, I can't remember. A Lava X, Happy Model Lava X, and anyway, so that's how I've done it, and you can see the blades, they're just snipped, but it, the lift that them props give, they're about I can't remember what inch, but that's what I chose because of the prop lift. Yeah. Anyway, the Rush FPV, that antenna that I was talking about, you've got, what I used was the antenna mount for the original one, but I cut it, yeah, and that's why it's got a cable tie, which basically it's got the gap cut up, you know, so it's pulled it tight, and that ain't going anywhere. You know what I mean? I've crashed this a few times, and also you've got to watch out when you got to route your and bend your wires, so when they connect, yeah, they're out the way of the props. So this is, as I say, it's a sturdy thing, man. And then what I've got on top is the Vifly. So if I put it on, I mean, as you can see, I mean, I've got it on red at the moment, but I don't want to lose this thing in the day or night. And the field I fly in, you know, if that goes in the grass, you know, even if it's 200 meters away, 100 meters, I ain't gonna find it. So with that flashing on, you know, red, green, or it's so solid red, green, solid green, flashing green, solid green. You know, you ain't gonna see that through your goggles, so you ain't gonna line of sight. Yeah, it's blinding, but through your goggles, it's fine. So now you ain't gonna lose this in the dark, or in the light even. Hopefully. Alright, I see Addict here. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.